Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can change Bigo Live name. So to get started, open up your Bigo Live application and the user face will be appear like this on your screen interface. Now go ahead and tap on that Me option which is appear on the button right corner. Now go ahead and tap on your name, click on your profile, and here on the top right corner you can see the pencil icon and the note on it that is represented as a edit button. Tap on it. Now here if you scroll all the way down you can see the information, name, gender, birthday and everything. So in order to edit your name or change your name, go ahead and tap on name. Now type down whatever you want to write or whatever name you want to change to. Once you're okay with the result or once you are done, you can just go ahead and save the changes and you are good to go. So that's all guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.